I'm here to do a quick demo of how the AI agent works. I set up one of my clients with this system, so I'm going to call the number and do a quick demo.
Call will be recorded for quality purposes.
Hey, this is Tina. You have reached K-Beauty Skincare Line. How can I help you today?
Hey Tina, I just wanted to know about your products. I wanted to inquire.
Got it. A team member will reach out to you with more information about our products. Could I get your name, please?
Luis Del Rosario.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Luisdelrosario. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Great. Could you please provide your email address so we can contact you?
delbaysystems@gmail.com.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is delbaysystems@gmail.com. Is that correct?
That's correct, Tina.
Awesome. Could you also share your address, please?
Yes, it's 6 York.
Thanks. Got it. Is there anything else you'd like to add about your inquiry?
I just wanted to know if I just wanted to know more about your products, and if someone could just give me a call back, and so a person I can talk to.
Absolutely, Luis. I'll make sure a team member reaches out to you soon for a chat about our products. Thanks for reaching out, and have a great day.
Thank you. That was pretty cool, right? The AI receptionist makes sure no lead gets missed and customers get the quick help they need. It's perfect for local businesses that need a hand answering calls, and it's easy to pitch because it saves time and keeps things running smoothly. If you want to know how to set this up and offer it to your clients, drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to help local businesses grow.